Galileo Galilei was a true visionary, a man whose ideas were far ahead of his time. He was born in Italy in 1564, a period of great change and discovery. Galileo is considered the father of modern science, a title he earned through his relentless pursuit of knowledge. His work revolutionized our understanding of the universe, challenging the conventional wisdom of his time. Galileo's discoveries, such as the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus, challenged long-held beliefs about the cosmos. He paved the way for future scientists, laying the groundwork for modern physics and astronomy. Galileo was a man of many talents, excelling not only in astronomy but also in physics and engineering. He was an astronomer, physicist, and engineer. He made groundbreaking observations and developed innovative instruments that advanced scientific inquiry. His work continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of the universe. Galileo's life was marked by both triumph and adversity as he navigated the challenges of his era. He faced opposition for his revolutionary ideas, particularly from the powerful institutions of his time. But his unwavering pursuit of truth prevailed, and his contributions have stood the test of time. His legacy continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos, influencing generations of scientists and thinkers. Galileo Galilei's contributions to science are immeasurable, and his innovative spirit lives on in today's scientific endeavors. His story is a testament to the power of curiosity and the importance of questioning the world around us. It highlights the importance of challenging accepted norms and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Galileo's life is an inspiration for generations to come, a beacon of scientific inquiry and discovery. Galileo Galilei was born in Pisa, Italy, on February 15, 1564. He was the eldest of 6 children. His father was a musician and composer. His mother managed their household. Galileo's early education was in a monastery. He showed a keen interest in mathematics and science. His father wanted him to study medicine. However, Galileo's passion lay elsewhere. At the age of 17, Galileo enrolled at the University of Pisa. He began his studies in medicine. However, he soon became fascinated by mathematics and physics. He excelled in his studies. He impressed his professors with his sharp intellect. Galileo's thirst for knowledge extended beyond the classroom. He was a keen observer of the natural world. He questioned traditional explanations. He sought to understand the underlying principles governing the universe. Galileo's scientific approach challenged the prevailing Aristotelian view. Aristotle's teachings were widely accepted at the time. Aristotle believed that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. Galileo questioned this idea. He conducted experiments to test his hypothesis. Legend has it that he dropped objects of different masses from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. He wanted to observe their rate of fall. Galileo's experiments revealed a groundbreaking truth. Objects of different masses fall at the same rate. This discovery contradicted Aristotle's teachings. It challenged the established scientific dogma. Galileo's experimental approach was revolutionary. He emphasized observation and empirical evidence. This method marked a departure from the reliance on ancient texts. It laid the foundation for modern scientific inquiry. In 1609, Galileo Galilei heard about a new invention from the Netherlands. It was a device that could magnify distant objects. This device was the telescope. Galileo was intrigued by the possibilities. Galileo decided to build his own telescope. He used lenses, he ground himself, he experimented with different configurations. He was able to achieve significant magnification. Galileo's telescope was a revelation. It allowed him to observe the heavens with unprecedented clarity. He made groundbreaking discoveries that challenged the prevailing view of the cosmos. The telescope became Galileo's window into a new world. His observations revolutionized astronomy. They provided evidence that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Section 5. Galileo's discoveries, unveiling the secrets of the cosmos. Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope towards the night sky. He was amazed by what he saw. He observed the moon's craters and mountains. This shattered the belief in a perfect celestial sphere. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter. This challenged the geocentric model. This model placed Earth at the center of the universe. Galileo observed the phases of Venus. This provided strong evidence for the heliocentric model. This model placed the Sun at the center of the solar system. His discoveries sparked both awe and controversy. Galileo's observations challenged the teachings of the Catholic Church. The Church adhered to the geocentric view. Galileo's discoveries threatened their authority. This conflict would have significant consequences. Section 6. Conflict with the Church, heresy, and house arrest. Galileo Galilei's groundbreaking discoveries in astronomy and physics brought him into direct conflict with the Catholic Church, which was the dominant religious and political force of the time. The Church held immense power and influence over both the spiritual and temporal realms, and it was not accustomed to having its doctrines questioned. It considered Galileo's findings, which supported the heliocentric model of the solar system, to be heretical and a direct challenge to its authority. In 1616, the Church issued a stern warning to Galileo, demanding that he abandon his support for the heliocentric theory, which posited that the Earth revolved around the Sun. Despite the Church's order, Galileo remained convinced of the validity of his scientific observations and continued to work on his theories in secret. Galileo was a devout Catholic, and this conflict placed him in a difficult position, torn between his faith and his commitment to scientific truth. He struggled with the tension between his religious beliefs and his scientific discoveries, which he believed revealed the true nature of the universe. In 1632, Galileo published a book titled Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, which defended the heliocentric model and presented his arguments in a compelling manner. This publication angered the Church authorities, who saw it as a direct defiance of their earlier warnings and a threat to their doctrinal control. As a result, they summoned Galileo to Rome to face the Inquisition, a powerful church tribunal tasked with rooting out heresy. During his trial, Galileo faced intense scrutiny and pressure from the Inquisition, which sought to force him to recant his views. Ultimately, Galileo was found guilty of heresy and was compelled to publicly recant his support for the heliocentric theory. He was forced to recant his views under threat of severe punishment, including imprisonment or worse. As a result, Galileo was placed under house arrest for the remainder of his life, confined to his home but allowed to continue his scientific work in a limited capacity. Despite the persecution and the restrictions placed upon him, Galileo's spirit remained unbroken, and his contributions to science continued to inspire future generations. Section 7. Galileo's legacy, the enduring impact of a scientific rebel. Galileo Galilei died in 1642. However, his legacy lived on. His contributions to science were undeniable. He is considered one of the most influential scientists of all time. Galileo's emphasis on observation and experimentation transformed scientific inquiry. He paved the way for the scientific revolution. His discoveries challenged established dogma. They opened up new frontiers of knowledge. Galileo's courage to defend his beliefs in the face of opposition made him an icon. He is a symbol of intellectual freedom and the pursuit of truth. Galileo's story continues to inspire scientists and thinkers today. His legacy reminds us of the importance of questioning, observing, and seeking evidence. Section 8. Galileo's influence on future discoveries, a foundation for modern astronomy. Galileo Galilei's work laid the foundation for future scientific discoveries. His observations and theories influenced generations of astronomers and physicists. Isaac Newton, born a year after Galileo's death, built upon Galileo's work on motion and gravity. Johannes Kepler, a contemporary of Galileo, used Galileo's observations to develop his laws of planetary motion. Galileo's discoveries helped to establish the heliocentric model of the solar system as the accepted view. This paved the way for a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Galileo's legacy extends beyond specific discoveries. His emphasis on the scientific method continues to shape the way we approach and understand the world around us. Section 9. Conclusion. Galileo Galilei, a timeless icon. Galileo Galilei was a true visionary, a man whose curiosity knew no bounds. He was not just an astronomer, but a polymath who made significant contributions to physics, engineering, and even philosophy. His life and work left an indelible mark on science and history. He challenged long-held beliefs and dared to question the status quo. He made groundbreaking discoveries that forever changed our understanding of the universe. He defended his ideas with courage and conviction, even in the face of intense opposition. His trials and tribulations are a testament to his unwavering dedication to the pursuit of truth. Galileo's story is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless quest for knowledge. His observations and experiments laid the groundwork for modern science. It highlights the importance of questioning accepted norms and encourages us to think critically. His work reminds us that progress often comes from challenging the established order. It demonstrates the transformative potential of scientific inquiry and the profound impact it can have on our understanding of the world. Galileo's legacy continues to inspire us today. His pioneering spirit lives on in the work of modern scientists and researchers. He reminds us to observe the world with open minds and to never stop seeking the truth. His story is a beacon of hope for all who dare to dream. He encourages us to seek evidence and challenge assumptions, fostering a culture of inquiry and discovery. He inspires us to never stop questioning and exploring, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. Galileo Galilei, the father of modern science, remains a timeless icon. His contributions to our understanding of the universe are immeasurable and continue to influence generations of thinkers. His contributions to our understanding of the universe are immeasurable. His theories and discoveries laid the foundation for many scientific advancements. His story continues to resonate through the ages, reminding us of the power of curiosity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.